In this video, I will show you how to get the Snapchat app in Windows PC. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my PC, currently on my desktop. Now to get the Snapchat app, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner to your search box and just go ahead and type store. Underneath Best Match, you should now see the Microsoft Store. So just go ahead, give that a click to open up the store. And once the store has loaded through, come up to the search box at the top and go ahead and search for Snapchat. Here we are, as you can see, and we've got a Snapchat app here. So all you want to do is give this a click to be taken to the app page, and then press the blue get button to install this onto your PC. So as you can see, Snapchat has now been downloaded. So what we can do is click the blue open button, and this can open up the app on our PC where we can proceed to log into Snapchat with our login details. Or if you don't have a Snapchat account yet, you can come down to the bottom and sign up for one down here. So that is how to get the Snapchat app in Windows PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.